Playfair Cipher. This is an example of polygraphic substitution. Polygraphic is a substitution that involves replacing a group of characters in a message with a group of letters or characters. Playfair Cipher encryption. I choose the keyword puzzle. First, creates a 5 by 5 grid. Although there are 26 letters in the alphabet, only 25 squares are required as I and J are incorporated into one square, as there are no words where it is not obvious which letter is required. Alice writes the keyword in the first spaces left to right. Each letter can only be used once, so further use a letter is ignored and remaining spaces are filled with the rest of the letters of the alphabet. Be sure not to double up. P, U, Z. As Z has been used once, you can use it again. L, E, A, B, C, D, E. E has been used. F, G, H. As mentioned before, I and J are together. K, L has been used. M, N, O, P has been used. Q, R, S, T, U has been used. V, W, X, Y, and Z has been used. Alice wants to send Mark a message. The meeting is at 3 Forest. The gaps in the words are closed, and wherever there are two letters the same together, they must be broken up by adding an X between them. These are the rules of encrypting Playfair Cipher. If both letters are in the same row, replace them with the letter on the right of the letter. If the letter is on the end, go back to the start of the same row and use the letter to replace with the end letter. If both of the letters are in the same column, replace them with the letter below them. If the letter is on the bottom, go back to the top of the column and use the letter to replace with the bottom letter. If neither of the letters are in the same column nor same row, imagine creating a rectangle with two letters on opposite corners. Write down the other two letters on the other corners. I creates a table. I places two letters of the plain text in each square of the first row. Then, referring to the three rules, I decide which one is relevant to the group of two letters, and puts the number of the rule in the square in row 2. In row 3, I places the encrypted letters, repeating this for the whole message. As TH are not in the same row or column, this is rule 3. To create a rectangle, the letters V and G are needed. So V, G are the encrypted letters for TH. As EM are in the same column, rule 2 applies. The letters below EM are the encrypted letters. In this case, FS. As EX are in the different rows and column, rule 3 applies. So to make the rectangle, LY become the encrypted letters. ET is rule 3, so the encrypted letters become PY. IN is rule 3 and becomes GQ. GI is rule 1 as they are on the same row, so the letters to the right HK are the encryption letters. SA is rule 3 becoming NF. TX is rule 1 becoming VY. TR is rule 3 becoming XN. EF is rule 2 becoming FM. XF is rule 3 becoming YD. OR is rule 1 becoming QS. ES is rule 2 becoming FY. TX is rule 3 becoming VY. This is the cipher text for the meeting is at 3 Forest.